Hi there, I'm Bea, a mixed media artist. Join me as I explore art and creativity, one project at a time. Hello and welcome back to my video, and if you're new here, I'm glad you are here. Now, today's video is inspired by this quote I came across. Take a deep breath and remember who the bleep you are. Now, usually I don't use that kind of language, but sometimes it just fits perfectly. And it is a good reminder to pause and ground ourselves and to step back into our own strength. That is the energy that I'm bringing today in this art journal page. Now, I did start on an already colored background. I think it was a jelly print that didn't go so well. I did just put in all kind of papers in this Trash to Treasure journal. The base was a fashion catalog. And then I did start with my charcoal from Nero, the oil-based charcoal, which stays, which doesn't smear so much as the ordinary charcoal. And then I did use Titan Buff and Paynes Grey, and later on I also did grab some hot pink acrylic marker. It might either a Posca pen, or I also do have some from Marabu, so I do switch those brands a little bit. And the heart I did made from a photo I took at the castle of Neuschwanstein, Swanstone, if you translate it word by word. Anyway, I did visit that with an American friend several years ago, and I took this photo, but then I altered it very much in Photoshop. At that time I still had Photoshop. Nowadays I do use Affinity Photo. I did get rid of all Adobe products. They have become too much expensive with their subscription based thing, and also the politics they had just didn't align with me. So I was looking for an alternative, which is Affinity. They have a publisher, they have a designer, and they have an Affinity Photo. That's all I need. Anyway, as always, it is a time lapse, and if you have any questions about the process, about the supplies, just leave them down below in the comments. Now, I hope you enjoy, and I hope to see you soon again. Take care. Bye.